Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I was up early this morning carving my pumpkin because it's getting close to Halloween, and I thought, what can I do with all this extra pumpkin? Then I thought, pumpkin pie? Yeah, that's a good idea, but what about a pumpkin omelet? Made it up. It's absolutely fantastic. You have to do this. Let me walk you through it. First up, I'm going to grab 4 large eggs and of course crack them into a bowl. What's that old commercial? Let's get cracking. A tablespoon of milk, and I just find this makes it a little bit more fluffy. And we're going to season this up with half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper. So just go ahead and put this in. Grab my handy dandy device and whisk this up. Whisking we will go. Next up, the star of the show, 1.5 cups of freshly sliced pumpkin from my jack-o'-lantern that I just carved up. And 3 stalks of green onions. Again, cut into strips. Now take my spoon, and we're just going to mix this up. Next up, I got my pan here, my non-stick pan over medium-low heat, and I'm going to add in some oil. And you want a decent amount here, not so much that it's deep fried, but a decent amount. Put my omelet mixture in. Take my handy dandy spatula, just kind of spread things out so it's nice and even. Slip a lid on, and we're going to cook this until it's set on one side. After about 5 or 6 minutes, we're set on the one side, so I'm going to remove the lid. This looks so good. And with the help of a plate, I'm going to slip on. We're just going to give this a flip over. And just look at that, guys. Beautifully browned. Put my pan back on. A little bit more oil in. Back in with the omelet and cook it on the other side. Easy breezy. After a minute or so, I'm going to turn off the heat and we're good to go, guys. And the reason I did a shorter cook on the other side and then flipped it is because I want that beautiful detail. Just look at this, guys. And there you have it, my friends. Our pumpkin omelet, perfect for Halloween or Thanksgiving. You're gonna love it. Okay, let's cut into this and see what we've got. Absolutely incredible. Just like a pizza pie. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy pie lifter and plate this up. So let's dig in here and give this a taste test. Dip this in some ketchup. You can do soy sauce too if you like. This is so good, guys. The pumpkin is soft. It just punches through. You got to make this. As always, for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. Gonna love all the recipes over there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.